Tonight, new details emerging in the case of two teenagers accused of killing a Columbia man last month. You may remember police found the 26-year-old victim dead in his car inside an office parking lot. Now, a 17 and a 14-year-old are preparing to stand trial for first-degree murder. Fox 45's Rebecca Pryor was in court breaking down some of the latest details that happened today. Rebecca.
And today, the two teens were called to court for scheduling hearings, both of them appearing in person. They were handcuffed and they wore gray jumpsuits from the adult detention centers where they're currently being housed. But today, we also learned that the 14-year-old is hoping he won't be there much longer. Walking out of the courthouse in silence with a sheriff escort, the family of Kendrick McClellan. Last month, inside this office parking lot in Columbia, the 26-year-old found dead in his car, suffering several bullet wounds. Accused of pulling the trigger, a 17 and 14-year-old, both facing first-degree murder charges in adult court. The victim's mother previously voicing frustration with the juvenile justice system in a phone interview with Fox 45.
They're not doing their job. These kids are just running wild with no supervision.
According to Howard County Police, the 17-year-old was well known to them. Upon arrest, Tracy Parker reportedly found with a loaded handgun in his backpack at school and already wearing a DJS ankle monitor, stemming from a prior attempted murder charge.
In the course of the investigation, detectives reviewed many additional hours of surveillance video from the area and used a variety of other investigative techniques to identify these suspects.
Surveillance video also leading police to believe the victim picked up both suspects from a residence in Ellicott City before driving to the location where he was shot, although the nature of their relationship remains unknown. In court today, armed robbery and auto theft listed among the 14-year-old's 10 charges, raising new questions about the extent of the alleged crime. In 3 weeks, a juvenile transfer hearing will determine if his case will remain in adult court, but for the 17-year-old.
Unfortunately, based upon Mr. Parker's age and what he has been charged with under the articles, he is not permitted to be transferred.
His public defender says that's not an option for Parker.
My client currently is innocent. My client will remain innocent. We are fighting this case. It's very early on.
Now, as it stands currently, the teens will be tried separately. Their trials are expected to last about 7 days. However, the state does still have time to file a motion to combine their cases if they choose to do so. In Howard County, Rebecca Pryor, Fox 45 News.
I'm Mary Bubala. Thank you for watching. Here's another video for you to watch. Also take some time to subscribe to our YouTube channel.